I'm gonna show you how to make an iron golem. First, I'm gonna open a new world and make it load. Now I'm just gonna go and get the pieces I need. All you need to take is an iron block and a carved pumpkin. Now you just need to put 3 iron blocks and 2 blocks on the side of the top one and the carved pumpkin on the top of it. Thing can give you a lot of damage, so if I were you, I would use an arrow of slowness to keep it from coming to you. The iron golem is pretty strong, so I'm just gonna build a little fort to just attack it. I'd also recommend getting a bow for that slowness arrow. If you ever attack one of these iron golems, they will come to attack you. So I just use a slowness arrow, so it would take a lot of time for it to come in, and plus I have a little fort that can defend me. Kill one of these, you get some iron. Thanks for watching. don't forget to like and subscribe.